Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and we got a classic find x problem. Our problem is this. We have this geometric figure kind of going on here. We have some lines, some triangles, some segments that are equal. DA is equal to AE, EB is equal to BC, the lengths there. And we also know that AD is parallel to BC. With all that information, can we find the measurement of angle X? So pause this video, see if you can figure that out. But as always here, I'm going to show you my thought process and how I solved this problem. Okay? Well, first things first, what do I know about triangle DAE and triangle was it CBE? Well, those two triangles each individually are isosceles triangles, right? They both have side lengths, two side lengths that are equal, meaning the opposite side lengths of those congruent side lengths here, or opposite angles from the congruent side lengths, are equal, the measurements here. So let's call this one here alpha, and these two beta, okay? So we have two alphas, two betas here, and we have some angle measurements there. We know that they are equal. While we're on the subject of angle measurements, let's call A here to be little a, and the angle inside of B to be little b. All right, so these all are referring to the angle measurement sums. Well, what do we know now? What do we know about the different, well, angles? The parallel lines is the one really last clue on how A and B are related, okay? For the parallel lines, we have a transversal. So we have parallel lines, AD and BC, and we have the transversal here of AB. We have consecutive interior angles, which tells us that A plus B, consecutive interior angles, add up to be 180 degrees. They're supplementary, okay? Supplementary angles. So with that, let's go see if we can, we'll come up with some more equations here. Let's look at our triangle here. This one here, triangle AED. The sum of the interior angles equals 180 degrees as well. So with that, we have, well, there's two alphas, so two alphas plus angle A equals 180 degrees. Well, let's do the same thing with the second triangle. We have two betas plus B is equal to 180 degrees. If I add these two equations up, the second two we just found, we have, well, 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to, not equal to, don't forget the plus A plus B, Sean. Never forget that. Got ahead of myself here. Plus A plus B equals 180 plus 180, which is 360 degrees. Now, we already found that A plus B has to be, well, 180. So, replace that. 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 180 degrees equals 360 degrees. Let's go subtract 180 to both sides. And what are we left with? 2 alpha plus a 2 beta is equal to 360 minus 180 is back to being at 180 degrees. So now we have 2 alpha plus 2 beta equals 180 degrees. What about this right here? We have a straight line and we have alpha plus x plus beta. We notice on a straight line that together all three are supplementary in a way that they add to 180. So we have 1 alpha plus 1 beta, I'll flip it around here, plus an x is also equal to 180 degrees. Good to note that equation. But I want to figure out how to get an alpha plus a beta. And this equation that we just kind of brought over here, if I divide every part by 2, the whole thing by 2, we have, well, alpha plus a beta is equal to 180 divided by 2, which is 90. We have alpha and beta here, 90 degrees, plug that in. 90 degrees plus an x equals 180 degrees, and is it that simple? Subtract the 90 to both sides, and x equals 90 degrees. So x here is a 90 degrees. Did you get 90 degrees for x? If you did, way to go. If you didn't, Hope you learned a new way to solve this problem and maybe got a little smarter. Please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us make more of these fun math videos for you and for everyone else. So, as always here, thanks for watching.